In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import, export, and organize contacts in HubSpot. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. It's a smooth and quick process. Upon clicking Login, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. If you're like me and like to keep things simple, click on Sign in with Google and choose the account you want to sign in with. Make sure you select the right account that has access to your HubSpot portal. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the CRM by locating the left panel on the screen. Head over to the panel and click on Contacts. This is where all the magic happens. To import contacts, look at the top right corner again and click on Import. There will be a button that says Import Data. Click on that and then move on to the Start Import option. At this phase, you'll need to decide what kind of data you'd like to import. Choose the appropriate option based on your file. Once you have selected your data type, simply click Next. You're almost there. You'll be prompted to browse your computer for the file you want to import. Click on Choose a File and select your file. This can be anything from a CSV file to an Excel spreadsheet. Just make sure it's properly formatted. With your file selected, click Next once again. You'll arrive at the stage where you need to map the columns in your file to the corresponding properties in HubSpot. This step ensures that all information is stored correctly and is crucial for the organization of your data. After mapping your columns, move forward by clicking Next. You'll then see the terms page. Read over those terms carefully, and once you agree, you can move ahead and click Finish Import. Congratulations, you have just imported your contacts into HubSpot. Now, if you ever need to export your contacts, it's quite straightforward. Make your way back to the CRM tab from the left panel and once again head over to Contacts. Here, you'll find an option to export. Click on this and a confirmation message to export your contacts will appear. Click on the Export button to finalize the process and you're done. And there you have it. You now know how to efficiently import, export, and organize your contacts in HubSpot. This should make managing your database a breeze. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.